Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Memphis Ultimate. Once you've unpacked everything, make sure you check the owner's manual to make sure that you have all the parts. The first step is mounting the legs to the lower cabinet, and to do that, you set the cabinet up on end on a piece of cardboard to prevent scratching, and make sure you put the larger of the legs in the front. Next, mount the casters to the bottom side of the cabinet. Attach the gas cylinder wire retainer to the left legs. The next step is attaching the knob to the air damper of the smoker cabinet. And then attach the smoker cabinet to the lower cabinet. Mount the drawer handles, and then slide them into the lower cabinet along with the wood chips box. Insert the water pan and the support to the smoker cabinet assembly, followed by the cooking grids. Attach the handle to the smoker door. Along with the thermometer, and the door hinges. Now that the card assembly is finished, you can prepare to attach the gas and charcoal cabinet. Insert the temperature sensor to the top of the smoker cabinet and put it in the clips. Then guide the electric wires to the back of the unit. Then plug them into the socket located on the back of the grill. And attach the electrical cover over the top of them. Now that all the wires are connected, you can attach the gas and charcoal cabinet to the lower card assembly. Secure the air dampers to the inside of the grill, but make sure there's enough room for them to slide. Insert the damper pull handles to the front of the grill. And twist them in tightly. Next, mount the ashtray guides to the bottom of the charcoal chamber and the gas drip tray guides to the bottom of the gas chamber. Attach a knob to each of the trays and slide them into the back of the unit, along with a grease tray on the back and the front bottom. Mount 4 grease shields into the main chamber. Attach the tool hooks to both the left and right side tables, and then secure the tables to each side. Mount the match lighter and chain to the left side of the control panel. Attach the cooking grid back supports and front supports. Screw in the heat tent supports to the front side of the main gas chamber, and then place the heat tents over the top. Next, use 4 screws to mount the charcoal tray lifting system to the backside of the chamber. Use 2 hinge pins to connect the handle to a bracket on the back of the chamber and to a bracket on the lift tray itself. Next, place all the knobs to the valve stems. Screw in the charcoal air damper handle. Place the charcoal tray onto the lifting system. Mount the smokestack to the charcoal lid. And spin on the smokestack lid. Attach a warming rack to the inside of the gas chamber and the charcoal chamber. Now you can insert the cooking grids and mount the thermometers. Attach a lifting handle to each of the lids. Unscrew the gas igniter button and insert the AA battery. Mount the wire hose retainer to the left front leg. And that's how you assemble the Memphis Ultimate. Thanks for watching.